Now this one, BMS tutorial. Subscribe and listen this one. Observe this one. Sine square 82.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5. Sum of these two is equal to, so by this only important here, sin square a minus sin square b. So what is formula for sin square a, sin square b? So that is applicable here. So we know that we know that sin square, use this formula, sin square a minus sin square b. These two are different. This is equal to sin a plus b multiple and submultiple sin formula, a minus b. So use this one. We know that this one, that implies, so here a means 82.5, this is a, this is b. So that implies sin a plus b. Sin a means 82.5 plus 22.5 into sin a minus b, 82.5 minus 22.5. So that implies sin plus 1, half of 1, 2, 3, 5, 105, 105 degrees. Okay. Now minus half of cancel 282 and sin half 2 cancel 60 remaining, sin 60. Sin 60 we know. What is the value of sin 60? Since we know sin 60, sin 30 half, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, one value we know in the 10th standard. Now here 105. 105 sin 180 minus 75. So it is not possible 75 again. Now 90 plus how much remains? 90 plus not possible. 90 plus 15 degrees. So 15 degrees we require. That we know very well that 15 degrees you know means you applicable. Otherwise 60 plus 45 take easy. So now here 90 plus 15 also will get. So sin this is belongs to first quadrant. That is also one process. But without taking up the sin 15 degrees, if you know sin 15 degrees value, directly we can approach sin 15 value root 3 minus 1 by, like that proceed. Otherwise one more option also here applicable. So what is that process? 60 plus 45 possible, no? 60 plus 45. So without using that sin 15 degrees value, if we know this one sin 15 degrees, you approach here. Otherwise sin a plus b, sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b whole multiplicable to the sin 60 degrees. So now we know very well sin 15 1.5, here cos 15 sin 45 and cos 45 both are same, that is equal to 1 by root 2 cos 30 is equal to sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. You know all these values from the trigonometry table. If you know sin 15 degrees, directly you can approach. Okay, sin 15 cos 15 1 by root 2. Okay, sin 60 30, these are equal to 30 is equal to cos 60 is equal to half. Substitute here. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. So write here first of all, otherwise write in final, write root 3 by 2. This I am transferred here. So sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 half, sin 45 1 by root 2. This one I wrote first of all, root 3 by 2. So numerator multiply 2 root 2 plus 1 into 2 root 2. So these two are like fractions only. Root 3 by 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 common. Then cancelable like this. So there is possible multiplication possible. This one root 3 into root 3 whole square, root 2 square cancel. So plus root 3 into 1 by 2 2 4 root 2. So any possible root 2 square cancel. So 3 root 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. If you have options in MSET level, you choose this one or this one or this one. So otherwise your sin 15 value, if you know directly, you can approach here only. So directly you can apply this one in first quadrant. Sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. In first quadrant all are positive. So cos 15 value is required. Cos 15. If you know cos 15, directly we got it here only. So this is a process. And similarly, try this one by using of I will give this formula also. And second one, try yourself. So I will give this formula, cos square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. So here which formula applicable? We will use this one. Know that cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So this one try yourself, okay, by using of this formula. So plus minus easy, 30 60. So 30 60. Okay. If you got the sin 15 value, if you required here sin 15 value, I am giving this one sin 15 value. Remember this one, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This one sin 15 value. And cos 75 value also same. Cos 75 also. So this is here useful. So apply here. So minus means that only no 22 and half, 30 and 60 vertical. You approach, try yourself this one. Answer. It will get the answer. Root same 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2. This one plus kada, here minus it will come. So here plus, so in same answer, but here minus it will come. Okay, that's why I given this one answer. Okay, try yourself. Okay, important concept.